Hello guys, welcome to this awesome tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to create a contact form where we can send an email to the site administrators. We are also going to make use of mail templates, which I am not going to design, but I can show you the easiest way to design this. Fasten your seatbelt and join me to dirty our hands in coding. I'm going to make use of VS Code, so feel free to make use of any code editor of your choice. Thank you. Okay, we are going to create our virtual environment. If you are new in Python, you may ask, what do we do with virtual environment? We use virtual environment to manage our Python packages. You can do more research on that. We say Python, I'm using Windows -M VEMV followed by the name of your virtual environment. Mine will be called EMV. Hit enter. Now we are going to activate it. Let us install the Django. You are using pip. Here is my website. I'm also doing some updates. These are the services we offer. Here are the projects I have built so far. Laravel packages. These are projects built with React, the Django, and Flask. Let's go back to our project and see if we are done. We are done. Subscribe to this channel. We are going to start our project. We say the Django -admin start project followed by the name of your project. We are going to call this contact form. Now it has been created. If you want to see, you notice is there we are having also money.py inside. cd into contact form. You will see money.py as I said earlier. Let us create our application. Python money.py start app. Let's call it contact form app. Now we are going to register our application. Open it, go to your contact form settings.py. Into installed apps, we are going to call it this contact form app. Remember, in Django, you can have as many apps as you want. We are going to configure our HTML template folder. Before we do that, we are going to import OS. This will be the name of our folder. We have not created the folder yet. In few minutes we are going to do that. We are going to configure our static files. Okay. We call it static. We want to finish everything without us coming back to this particular file. Let us configure our email configuration. We are going to make use of Gmail. If you are hosting it on a live server, is on production, please do well to contact your hosting company for email configuration, please. We are using Gmail here. We'll come back to this later. Okay, we are done configuring this. Let us open up our Gmail that we may be able to get the password we are going to use. Some years back, Gmail stopped us from automatically using Gmail. We have to now go and take our app password. Open the browser which you want to use. Open up my account.google.com/app passwords. This particular link will be posted on our description. Here you have to input your password. Please, you can face issue if you have not enabled your two-step verification. Gmail will not allow you to do that unless you enable your two-step verification. In case you face issue, try to enable your two-step verification. Yeah, we can name it anything. Let's call it the Django. Copy the password. Then you can click done. The moment you click done, you can never get it again unless you create a different one. Thank you. So go to your password, you paste it over there. We are going to take the email. You paste it in the email host user. So we are done with the configuration.